Hey y'all, it's Samantha Thompson here with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to share our packing cubes with you. This is a product we've had around for a little bit, but I just started using these and have fallen completely in love with them, and so I just wanted to share them with you really quickly today. So we have three sizes: small, medium, and large, and I have them all here so you can kind of see the size comparison. Just a few inches bigger for each size. We do sell them in a set as well, I believe, where you can get the multiple different sizes. But these are so great when you are traveling to pack right inside your suitcase. So I went on vacation this summer and I had one that had just swimsuits, and then I had one that had kind of my undergarments and things like that. One that just had casual t-shirts and shorts, like pajamas, that kind of stuff. And it was just so nice and easy to keep everything organized. Normally when I travel, by the end of the week or the weekend, there's just things everywhere. Everything's unfolded. I have no idea what's clean or what's dirty or what's going on. But these really just kept everything nice, neat, and organized. I absolutely love them. Super great if you're packing multiple people in the bag. So if you have little kids and you're packing stuff for two different kids in one suitcase, this can really help as well. These are our travel cubes. If you have any questions, let me know.